Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam here from the Elite Tigers group with my review of Kaptiwa, which launched on the 21st of June at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this new release by Dr. Amit Parikh and Ashu Kumar, which is a lightning fast video hosting and marketing software for a one-time price that allows you to play unlimited HD videos with no delays and buffering on any WordPress, Shopify, membership site and landing page in 3 easy steps. So it's essentially a video software and a video creation suite. Why should you be interested in this product? Well, if you're currently using YouTube, especially for marketing purposes, you will have noticed that one of the built-in problems since they changed how YouTube videos work recently is that once your viewers finish watching a particular video, they are presented with alternative choices to watch from other people's videos. Now, often they can be like, if you're promoting a product, you can find that at the end of watching your review, they can be presented with alternative options to buy that same product. So in other words, they'll be given the opportunity to view other review videos that people have created for the product that you're trying to market to them. So that is one fallback. It will also encourage you to watch other videos. All the time that you're on YouTube, the process is geared to you watching more and more content. So they're trying to do everything they can to keep you on there and to get you to look at other pages. Now, that's great from their point of view, but from your point of view, it can drive people away from the marketing angle that you're trying to convey. So if this sounds like something that's of interest to you, plus if you need a really fast loading video solution, then Kaptiwa is certainly that. The team have actually spent about 3 years in development of this, so it isn't something that's been put together overnight, and it's reflected in the quality and to a degree in the price. So this isn't like a $7 or $10 software as you would expect. This is well, there are a few options which we'll come to in the pricing, but it's a monthly paid product, although there is a one-time offer for a 2-year license. But anyway, as I said, if that's of interest, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up Kaptiwa from the link immediately underneath this review video. They're custom bonuses, which means that they're exclusive to me. You can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0. At which point they'll be withdrawn. Now, I don't want that to happen, folks, because as I've said, they're custom bonuses, which means they're unique to me. You won't be able to get them from any other affiliate. And having said that, there are plenty of people selling Kaptiwa, so do have a look and see what others are offering, because of course you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are a bit special and will help you to succeed with Kaptiwa. So what exactly is this product? It's quite a lengthy sales page, so I'm not going to go through everything, but we'll cover the main points. So are you sick and tired of paying hundreds of dollars to video hosting services that are slow and sucking your traffic with disturbing ads or related videos? Well, I think we know where they're going with that one. So lightning fast video hosting and marketing software where for a one-time price you can play unlimited HD videos with no delays and buffering on any WordPress, Shopify, membership site and landing page in 3 easy steps. Now, there are videos to watch on here, folks, that aren't on my bonus page, so you will need to click through on these green buttons here to go through to the sales page to watch these videos. So that's the sales video and the demo video, and they're actually recorded on Kaptiwa, so you can see exactly what video is recorded on this.
Whether it's for selling your product, explaining about your services, or training your team.
As you can see, they do load and start very quickly, and the HD quality is good on them. So this is how it works. You just upload a video and Kaptiwa gets into action to optimize those for faster delivery on any device. So speed is important to you. You can customize with just a few clicks. You can customize the player and marketing apps to monetize it by showing your own or affiliate offers right inside the video. and then publish and profits. Now publish to play HD videos on any landing page, and you can watch your growing sales, commissions, and customer satisfaction fast. Now, depending on when you're watching this, there will be a coupon code in here for you to use, yeah? So I'm recording this on the 23rd, actually, so I was a couple of days late with this launch for various reasons. But you can use this discount coupon here, Kaptiwa 11, to get an 11% discount off of the price, yeah? Now this one, actually, it says 5 hours, but this one I believe is going to be valid until midnight EST on the 24th of June. If you're watching it after that, there should be another code in here, providing we're here during the launch week. So it launches from the 21st to the 28th of June. So if you're any time in that period, you should see a coupon code here that you can use as checkout, but you will need to upload, to type in this code. It won't appear automatically. All right. So what can you do with this product? You also get, by the way, a free commercial license during the launch period. So you can upload unlimited sales, training, client prospecting, or information videos. That will enable you to sell more products or services. You can capture unlimited leads from your videos, free hosting. All right, all of this is hosted for you, up to 50 gigabytes of bandwidth per month. You get an attractive video player with complete customization, obviously no other people's branding on it, 100% mobile responsive video pages, stunning promos, seamless integration with top autoresponders, A to Z complete training included, 100% control of your traffic, no traffic leakage with unwanted related videos. That's the key thing, I think, one of the key things. Super fast delivery, no buffering, no delay. Put your videos on any website, maximize visitor engagement, add videos in MP4 format, a full drag and drop editor, zero tech skills required. It's 100% newbie friendly, and 50 plus more cool features to captivate your videos. All right, so we'll come back to this sales page. As I said, it's a lengthy sales page, so I'll let you go through this yourself. I just want to go through the custom bonuses that you'll get if you click on this button underneath. So the first bonus is my video marketing masterclass. So this is an hour and a half long masterclass in what makes a good video. So however you're making videos, whether you're putting yourself on camera, whether you're using animation, or whether you're using other people's videos with your links attached even, you need to know what actually produces videos that are going to sell for you. So this masterclass of 1.5 hours will give you a pretty in-depth idea on what it takes to actually make good videos. The second thing I'm going to include, I know that we're saying that there are problems with YouTube, but you also can't hide from the fact that it's the #2 search engine on the planet right now. So you do need to understand how YouTube works for both free and paid traffic, and how you can maximize it to get results, because no one's saying that if you pick up Kaptiwa, you're not going to stop using this platform, obviously. Number 3, just a quick one here. I often get asked this. I know it's quite a basic thing, but a lot of newbies to internet marketers, newbies to internet and affiliate marketing don't know how to do it. So it's just a quick tutorial on how to record your screen when making product review videos, or indeed anything else that you need to share your screen with. All right, so there's a little hack there. How to explode your YouTube channel. Now this is a case study with super affiliate Brendan Mace. Now he has grown, at the time of making this video, he'd grown his YouTube channel to 37,000 subscribers. Now he's got over 50,000. And it's one of the easiest ways to get free organic traffic. Yeah, obviously, if you've got 50,000 subscribers, then every time you make a post to YouTube, you've got a guaranteed audience, and you're going to get sales. So this is a very important case study. And finally, this course from Jonas Lindgren. He's an affiliate who's climbed a lot in the last year and a half. He's now making 10,000 a month online regularly. And this is his lazy method, as he calls it, which is a form of marketing affiliate offers using just video. Yeah, so 5 good bonuses there. I'm sure you'll agree, folks, with lots of added value. Now, there are also some bonuses that the vendor has given me to give to you. And Dr. Amit has been very generous. There are 50 bonuses. Sorry, 20. Be great, wouldn't it? But 20 is pretty good. So there are 20 bonuses, and these are on top of the normal bonuses. So these bonuses are semi-exclusive. So you've got the standard vendors bonuses that everyone's going to be giving away. Then you've got my 5 custom bonuses. And then you've got semi-exclusive bonuses that Dr. Amit is giving to selected affiliates, and I'm one of them, and so there are an extra 20, and we'll go through those in just a minute. But I just want to, as I said, I'm not going to insult your intelligence by reading this sales page all out to you. I'll let you go through it, folks, but I just wanted to really highlight a few things. This is the easy way to use it, but I just wanted to show you these 2 videos to make sure you watch. So this is a Kaptiwa 100 seconds challenge video. That's going to show you how to sign in and get going. And if you want a longer version of that, there's also another one further down here. So these are how we get going on this. Sorry, you get examples where you can use these on your WordPress site, obviously on landing pages, on your blog, on lead pages, inside your membership site, on your Shopify store, on sales pages, and anywhere else that you want. These are all of the autoresponders that it connects with. So obviously all the main ones are there: Aweber, GetResponse, Mailchimp, SendLane, and also quite a few, you know, not so mainstream, but what people are using more and more now, like Smart Mailer and so on. No competition. This is just a comparison with other platforms, more testimonials, and then we get on to the pricing, folks. Right, so these are the standard bonuses. Okay, I'll show you the others in a minute. So these are the bonuses that everyone is getting. So Profit Mozo, which is a 100% cloud-based one-click landing page builder. Pro Marketers Training. Done-for-you setup service. Live training, build a 6-figure business from scratch in minutes. How to make kick-ass sales videos quickly in less than 10 minutes and upload them on Kaptiwa. That's another training. How to drive traffic to your offers and websites with videos. So all of these are designed so that newbies can easily use this product, folks. And it also comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So that's, if you like, that's the standard ClickBank guarantee. This is on, obviously, Warrior Plus, but ClickBank normally offers 60, and Amit is Dr. Amit and Ashu and Simon Warner, the other part of the team, are all offering this. So these are your options, folks. So you can go monthly, which is $25 a month. Yeah, you can get a 6-month plan. Yeah, which is $47. Yeah, or you can go for the best deal, which is $97 for 2 years. All right. So you can use this to host and showcase unlimited videos. Ultra light and attractive player that works on any device, lightning fast loading, 100% control of your traffic with zero leakage, publish on any website, blah blah blah, MP4 format, full SEO included, up to 50 gigs a month, 24-month service included, as I said, plus these bonuses I'm going to show you in a minute, and the commercial license. So $97, and don't forget, folks, you need to enter this coupon code up here. Where is it? Kaptiwa 11, and that will get you an 11% discount. So that's going to save you over $10 if my maths is right off of that price. Yeah. All right. So let's have a look then at these. Sorry, they're the upsells. We'll come to those in a minute, but let's have a look at these bonuses. So these are the bonuses that Dr. Amit has given me to give to you, and there are 20 of them. Yeah. So you can pause this. I'll go through these slowly, but I'm not going to go through every detail. So you can pause this video if you want to study any of them in detail. But these, you're going to get all these 20 on top. So Auto Video Creator, Turbo Video Genie, True Tags Software, Video Backlinks Bomber Software, Astronomy Video Site Builder. It's interesting. Create Video with Camtasia 9 Advanced, Graphics Generator, Graphics Designer 101, Evergreen Infographics Pack, Magic Video Templates Review Pack, Internet Marketing How-To Videos Pro, Video Creation Scientist, Video Marketing Profits, Video Marketing Excellence, Podcasting Mastery, Video Marketing Profit Kit Video Upgrade, Online Viral Marketing Secrets Video Upgrade, YouTube Channel SEO version 2, Video Traffic Guru, and Video Playbook. That is, as you can see, a huge value of bonuses that when sold at the original prices when these products were launched. So altogether, if I'm not mistaken, I think that makes it 31 bonuses that you're going to get with this, folks. That is an incredible package. Now the upsells. So our front end, we've got 25. This is actually slightly changed, but it's 25 for monthly, 47 for 6 monthly, and 97 for a year with that discount. And then you've got a pro version. As I said, I don't have full details of this, so you have to watch the sales video. But the pro version is $57, or if you want the commercial license, it's $77. The second upsell is Enterprise. Again, you'll need to see exactly what's included, but that's $77 or $97 for the commercial. The third upsell is your agency, which is for 100 clients, $297. If you want to use it on 300, it's $497. And then there's a premium membership, which comes with a $1 trial, and then it's $27 a month. Or you can take it for a year for $197, or for 2 years, which gives you the biggest discount, which is $297. Again, have a look at the sales videos to make your minds up on those, folks. But this is a very good software team, and this is one of their flagship launches, if you like. They launch a lot of different products over the year, but there are different products that they spend more time on development of, and this is, as I said, one of the ones that's been in development stage for 3 years. So okay, so to get these, all you need to do is click on these green buttons here to get my extra custom bonuses. That will take you through to this sales page. Then choose your offer here and click buy now, and then you'll come back into your receipt area at Warrior Plus. Apologies for my bald head being there. Click on the green button to access your copy of Kaptiwa, and click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is all there is to it. We're going to give this a review of 4 out of 5 on our Elite Tigers group rating. It's a well planned software, and it's got a lot of things going for it. All that remains now then is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group with my review of Kaptiwa.